PopPick is Geekplus's next-generation goods-to-person picking solution. Pop out, pick easy. This game-changing solution increases storage density by as high as 4 times. It requires fewer aisles and can store 12 columns of totes in a row. The high store density is achieved by stacking up a minimum of 10 layers of totes in 3.7-meter high racks, with only 20 millimeters between the totes. The PopPick picking station ensures a safe work environment with a safety light screen, and its ergonomic design with optimal height and reachability helps improve the picking efficiency and accuracy. Plus's next-generation goods-to-person picking solution, your one-stop solution to all your warehouse needs. PopPick. Pop out, pick easy.